Hello, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I made 3 simple home decor ideas. The first idea that I did is I saw this table at Wayfair and it was over $100. Luckily enough, I found the one on the right at a local store at $17. The only thing is that the wood top is not the same color, so all I did is I took some Waverly chalk paint in the color antique and I painted the top. I don't know why, but when I paint with this color, I like to paint over a thing and then I like to clean it up a little bit with a paper towel because I like the way the color it turns out when I wipe it off. And this is how it turned out. It pretty much looks like the one at Wayfair, so I love it. For the second project, I bought some 8.5 by 11 cork style leatherette, and I used it to cover this glass jar that I had. All I did is I measured the height of this jar, and then I cut it to size. All I did is I used some hot glue and glued the cork leatherette to the glass vase. So with the extra cork leatherette, all I did is I cut the strip in half and I used that to cover the top part of the glass vase. And here's the finished product. And for the third idea, I took some wooden dowels that I spray painted them black and 6-inch wooden rings. And all I did is I used hot glue to glue the wooden dowels to each wooden ring. Then I took this raffia tape and or ribbon, if you can say, and I use it to wrap the bottom and the top part, so it will cover the wooden ring and also the edges of the wooden dowels, and it could give it a more finished look. So I made 3 because I'm gonna use them to cover the white part of this chandelier or ceiling lamp that I have at my dining room. And this is the finished look. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.